Today, let us learn how to do RV door lock installation together. Firstly, cut out a hole with size of 69*92 millimeters on your door panel. Pay attention, the hole should be fully matched with the pin. Next, insert the front and the rear parts into the door panel. Then, tighten the screws. The last step, fix the baffle plate. Go to the door side with screws. One thing please don't forget, after you finish the installation, you need to check whether the lock is installed properly. Check whether the handles inside and outside are available. Insert the key into the barrel to see if it works well. If everything goes well, then the RV lock is installed well. There are 3 colors of this model, including white, black, and chrome. Of course, if you want other colors you like, we can provide color customization for you.